In this video, we'll show you how to replace a faulted power supply unit in a PowerScale F200 or F600 system. Before you begin, make sure that you read and follow all safety precautions on handling replaceable units, such as using electrostatic discharge wristbands or gloves. Note: one power supply is required for normal operation. If your system is power redundant, remove and replace only one power supply at a time. For more information, refer to the PowerScale F200 to F600 Power Supply Replacement Guide. Now to begin. First, remove any cable management arms that may be installed, so you can access the power supply. Next, disconnect the power cable from both the power source and from the power supply you intend to remove. Then, remove the cable from the strap on the power supply handle. Press the release latch and slide the power supply out of the system using the handle. Now, you can install the replacement power supply. Slide the power supply into the system until the power supply is fully seated and the release latch snaps into place. At this point, if you remove the cable management arm, replace it. Then, connect the power cable to the power supply and plug the cable into a power source. Now, wait 15 seconds for the system to recognize the power supply. You can verify that the power supply is functioning properly by checking the LEDs. The power supply status indicator turns green when the power supply is healthy. If you are replacing the other power supply as well, wait until the new power supply is discovered before removing the other power supply to ensure power redundancy. You can make sure that the power supply is discovered by running the CLI command isi_hw_status. You've just replaced a power supply unit. For more detailed instructions on replacing this or other components, refer to the PowerScale documentation at dell.com/support.